one deal, if you were typically going to wholesale it, right? You probably, if they owed 165, you probably sell it for what, 220, right? Would you guys wholesale it for What would you guys wholesale it for?
210, 220.
210, 220, maybe 230 if you're good, right? And you'd be done with the deal. It would add nothing to your net worth. You get no monthly cash flow. You get no monthly payments, and you'd be done on the deal, right? Or you can structure it where, say, listen, we'll keep your loan in place, and there's a way to pitch this deal. Keep your loan in place, pay all the settlements mortgage, you get $5,000 to move, right? It's a done deal. And so now you walk away with $127,000, adding 65. So here's the question.
John, I have a question for you on that.
Go ahead.
Back when you built your 120 unit base back in 04 and 05, did you do a lot of this back then? Is that how you did all of it? So you found as many buyers?
Well, we kept the properties. So
Right.
we get a foreclosure, they had a 165, we give them $5,000 to buy it.
Correct.
We would clean up and do a paint job, clean up to it, and we would put a lease option buyer in that property.
Okay.
We lease option the property, then we held the property, then we sold that package to a hedge fund. So they're buying the property, you're underwriting them, and what you're doing here, now I wish I would have done it where I would have done it this way. This is the way to do it.
Why this is better way to?
Well, we did a lease option and then we packaged the deal and sold it to a hedge fund, which was just got the cash for it. This right here, you can do it, you can sell it for high price possible. You create a note, you create monthly cash flow, and you create the down payment is now cash and later cash. Now I can take these notes right here. In this particular scenario, if we do 10 of these transactions, you have $330,000 cash, $650,000 in notes, you have $4,880 in monthly cash flow that comes in. And now you generated $1.27 million just on 10 transactions out of these deals right here. But the cool thing is, on this, is you have the cash flow and you have $650,000 in notes. Well, what can you do with those notes?
Sell and borrow.
You can sell them, you can cross-collateralize them, you can turn around and go to a bank and say, I have notes and I want to collateralize a loan off it. And I want to get a 2%, 3% loan off it and go buy more real estate if you want. Yeah, you're buying the property subject to. The only difference is you're wrapping the existing loan, right? Where instead of just taking the note, you're creating a new note, and that new note encompasses your note. So now you have the 165 and the 65, it's encompassed together. So now when someone makes the payment, the mortgage service company will essentially split how much goes to the mortgage company and how much goes to you.